In today's video, we're going to be talking all about this new moon that is coming up on July 31st. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out. I do upload 3 times a week, and every single Friday I have a free pick a card reading, so you guys do not want to miss out on that. But in today's video, we're going to be talking all about the upcoming new moon. It's on July 31st, and this is the second new moon of July, which makes it a supermoon. Which means it's closer to the earth and it has a very, very powerful high vibration. It not only affects our tides, like the water, the oceans, the seas, but it also affects us. Remember, our bodies are made up of almost like 70%, I think it is, of water. So if the moon can affect the oceans and the tides, imagine what kind of a pull it has on us. So in this video, we're going to be talking about 5 ways this new moon can affect you, 5 ways you can get ready for it, 5 things you can do to harness the energy and make sure that it favors your life. Number 1, practice patience. This is a big one. Because of the way that the planets are aligned right now, it can cause tension, anxieties, aggression, anger, and just impatience. So during this new moon, learn the art of patience because it will help you in ways you cannot even imagine. It's going to help things flow easier in your life. It's just going to help things flow smoother in your life if you just remain calm and patient. If you find yourself getting upset really easily, you have to step back, ground yourself, and just pause, because you have to understand that sometimes we don't even understand why we're feeling this anger or upset or emotional, and a lot of the times it has to do with planetary alignments, new moons, full moons, like the way that these energies affect us. A lot of the times we sit back and we're like, I feel sad, but I don't even know why. Like, I have everything I want, everything's going great. Why do I feel so sad? And sometimes it is these planetary alignments that affects our mood and mental state and emotional state. This is the perfect time for you to light some sage, light some Palo Santo, light some incense, even light a candle that smells really good to you. That's powerful right there. That's aromatherapy. That's you raising your vibration. You're changing the frequency of the air around you. It's very, very powerful to even just light a simple candle. You could drop a little bit of herbs in there and make it even more powerful. So during this new moon, make sure that you are doing something that calms you and grounds you, and make sure that you stay patient. Number 2, you might find that you feel more bored than usual lately. You might find yourself with this need for excitement, more spontaneous energy, and just some fun in your life, especially in your love life, because Venus is so close to us right now, and Venus is the planet of love and romance. During this new moon, during this super moon, it's really good if you guys can try something new. Just add a little bit of fun and spunk back into your life. And this could mean anything. And if you guys are in a relationship, would be a really great time for you guys to try something new. Try a new restaurant, try new food, try to wear new colors. If you're not in a relationship, you can do the same kinds of things. Just add new things to your life that excite you. And this is one of the reasons that I always wear a labradorite bracelet or necklace. I always keep this stone near me because labradorite is very, very powerful. It creates high vibrations of spontaneous energy, of adding fun and adventure into your life. It adds like coincidence and synchronicity into your life to where you can enjoy life. If you guys are interested, I do have a few labradorite necklaces up in my store. I also have some crystals up in my store. They might be sold out, they might still be there, but check it out if you are interested, because this stone is very good to keep around you when you're bored. Like, it just eliminates that stagnant, dull energy. Number 3, this new moon is in the sign of Leo. Leo is the lion. Leo symbolizes courageous energy. It draws willpower and courage and strength. It also symbolizes creativity. So that means that this is a really, really good time for you to do something creative. Do something that makes you feel good. Because when you do these things, it raises your vibration. And when you can raise your vibration, you eliminate blocks. Your roads flow smoother. There's like a more clear pathway for you to go to where you need to go and to manifest the things that you need to manifest. This new moon energy also brings us back within ourself. It brings us back to ourself. It makes us explore who we are. It makes us embrace who we truly are. It makes us see who we truly are. It also makes us love who we are and embrace exactly all the aspects of ourselves that we thought were flaws. It's a time of self-acceptance, self-reflection, healing, and a really good crystal for you to have around you right now would be rose quartz, because this embodies all of that. Healing, self-love, love, unconditional love, just love energy. That rose quartz would be perfect to have or carry around with you, or even wear around this new moon. I do have a few rose quartz crystals up on my shop right now. If you guys are interested in buying from me, all my crystals are charged under the energy of the full moon. The reason I do it under the full moon and not the new moon is because I like having the light of the full moon touch all my items. All the stuff I sell in my store, I like the full moon light to touch it. Number 4, you may have been feeling a ton of pressure within the last couple of weeks or months, and this is because of the Mercury retrograde we've been having. But remember, this is coming to an end. This new moon is bringing that Mercury retrograde to an end finally. Retrogrades are a time where like things come up from the past and like limiting beliefs are brought to your attention. You kind of get to realize and see all the stuff that doesn't serve you anymore, and sometimes it comes in ugly ways, sometimes it comes in calm ways, but it's a time where you just purge and release a lot of things that have been built up inside of you. And so that's kind of what's been happening for the past few weeks or months, and this is all coming to an end. So expect to feel lighter. Expect to feel more, just, lighter overall. Your energy, your heart, your shoulders, just to feel lighter, like a burden has been lifted. This heaviness is going to lift with this new moon. So that comes to celebration. It's a time to celebrate. Right now is a really good time for you to go out for drinks, go out for dinner, go out to a movie. Celebrate just the fact that the Mercury retrograde just ended. Do something fun, because that is a very powerful way to harness this energy. When you do something fun, it's like you tap in and you align with that good energy that's already there, and it becomes a part of you, and you kind of just start to live in that energy. So make sure you do something fun, do something for yourself, do something where you're enjoying and laughing and just forget about time for a little bit. Number 5, use this new moon energy to find new ways to show love in all your relationships. It doesn't even have to be just you and your partner. This means all your relationships, from your friends to your family, your co-workers, whoever you want to express your love to. It's a really, really good time to express love and find a new way to do it. It lifts the vibration of the relationship. And when you lift the vibration of a relationship, you can experience such happiness in that relationship, because these blocks go away, these obstacles, these communication blocks, like all this stuff that can block the relationship from flourishing and thriving, those go away when you can lift the vibration of the relationship. Some examples would be buy a small gift, go out to dinner, make some plans, hang out together, go for a walk together, do something to spend some quality time with somebody, do something to show someone love, do something to show somebody that you appreciate them, and even find new ways to show self-love and self-acceptance. Don't forget yourself. Find new ways to show yourself how much you love you. And that comes to the rose quartz crystal again. Like, this is such a good crystal to have on you, because it just gives you that energy of tapping in and aligning with that love energy. So those are 5 things that you need to know to be ready for this new moon, this super black moon. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Visit my store if you guys are interested, and subscribe if you want to. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!